Oh, so y'all thought House of Chuck was gonna make an appearance on House of Cramel Vlogmas? Anyway, don't even mention it. It's all good. I ain't gonna hold you long. I'm literally not gonna hold you long. I'm gonna make one of my favorite recipes that I found on Pinterest. Only a few ingredients, but this is a slow cooker Mississippi pot roast. Something you can make during the holidays. I personally love to eat it on sandwiches, my God. But when I tell you it is so good and it is so flavorful, it is so easy to make. You can make it overnight, and I promise you, trust me. So look, take this journey with me. While you checking it out, please like, comment, subscribe, man. Just hit the button right there, somewhere. See that? Spread your fingers. Hit the button, man. Share the button. What? Come on, man. It's free. It's free. But look, man, we love y'all. Thank y'all for coming in and spending time with us. But I want to get started on this pot roast for you. Check it out. So look, welcome back, man. Look, when I told you that this pot roast is so easy, I am not putting on at all. It's literally 5 ingredients, right? 5 ingredients. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Check this out. So, got my pot roast, right? We got butter. Now, I am putting on for the camera because I'm really gonna use this. This is the equivalent of 1 stick of butter. That's all you gotta use. 1 stick of butter. 1 packet of onion soup. Just 1. 1 packet of ranch seasoning. You can get this in the store for like $1 or something. Maybe $1.50. Something, it depends where you are. And these are the star of the show. The pepperoni peppers. My God. And guess what? It goes in the slow cooker for 8 hours. We cook it on low. And basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take the roast. Take the roast. I'm gonna sear it on both sides, really, really good. Maybe like a few minutes, a really hot sear. Season it with salt and pepper, sear it, put it into the slow cooker, and then we just dump everything on top of it. Cooks for 8 hours. When I tell you, just try it. I'm telling you, I found this on Pinterest. It was so easy. I can't even remember where I got it from, but it was so good and it was so easy. I was like, man, that's so easy to just remember. It's something very easy you can make for your family. And when I tell you can make a sandwich, see, I might even make a sandwich for you. Anyway, just stay tuned. So as you can see, this is a beautiful roast, by the way. I just put it, I use Tony's Creole seasoning, but you could easily use salt and pepper. I just happen to love this seasoning personally. But just season both sides, right? I've got my skillet coming up. I want a real good sear on here. I'm gonna put a little oil in there, sear it on both sides. Meanwhile, I got my slow cooker heating up, but I'm gonna set it for low at 8 hours overnight. So just stay tuned. Check me out. So check me out. I'm just searing this. I got it really, really hot. Like that skillet is really hot. Really, really hot. And people, just like that, the hardest part of this process is done. Check this out. I set it out. See how pretty that is. Yep. My slow cooker ready. And now we're about to dump everything in here. 8 hours. Be right back. Okay, you see there? It is set on 8 hours. We're gonna cook this overnight. This is what it looks like. Just dump it in there. I promise you, it's gonna look real pretty, and it's gonna taste even better than you might even think. Man, look, just give it a try. These pepperoni peppers really make it. It does something to it. I don't know what it is, but man, just try it. Just try it. That's it. That's all I got. All right. See y'all in 8 hours. All right. All right now. All right. I just want to just come to you as humbly as I know how. Oh Lord. Amen. I just wanted to tell y'all, the smell is phenomenal. Oh my God. And it's like almost done. I'm gonna let it go tonight. But man. So good people. Let me tell you, look at this, man. This is like, this is no effort. This is like just, you see how that's just pulling apart? Like that is, look at that. That's not even fair. My God. So what you do is a lot of fat in here. And what I do is I'll take this out of its juices. I'm gonna let them just marinate in here for a little bit. But you see how those peppers and everything, it's just gonna come to make this flavor, man. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out, take all the fat off of it, keep a little bit of drippings for it, break it down, put the peppers to the side, and put the just let the juices make it like its own au jus. Oh yeah, y'all know your boy was French. But yeah, man, this is it, man. Overnight, you got an easy meal. You can eat this with some broccoli, some rice. Or just like I said, you do it like me. Because I'm going to tell you, I'm going to make a sandwich with this. So y'all can judge me all you want. So, yeah, I said it. That's what I'm doing. Hello. But look, just like I said earlier, man, give us a like, a follow, a subscribe, all that good stuff, man. Look, hit the button, man. Hit the button. You see this? Hit the button. I know I look like I just, anyway. But look, thank y'all for the support. Vlogmas, we're kicking it off, y'all. Thank y'all for staying with us. See y'all in the next video. Take care. Bye.